Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. Are you preparing for IRDI Assistant Manager examination and wondering how much of your syllabus overlaps with RBI Grade B syllabus? And what if I told you the answer is 60 to 70%? So that's right, because in this video we are going to talk about the key similarities and differences with respect to the pattern and syllabus of both this examination. But before we begin it, here's a small announcement for you that in the description box you'll find a link. You can click over that link and it will give you access to previous year questions of IRDI Assistant Manager exam. You can download them and have a view regarding the trend and pattern with respect to this examination. Fine. So now let us begin with the session, and firstly let us talk about the similarities that is there between both these examinations. Firstly, we have RBI Grade B. So if you talk about RBI Grade B, the selection process of RBI Grade B, it is divided into three phases. Fine. And similarly, three phases are there in IRDI Assistant Manager examination also. So firstly, you will be having phase 1, then phase 2, and then the phase 3. Over here also, we have phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Phase 1 in both the examination is online in nature. Fine. It is online as well as, I would say, objective. If we talk about phase 2 includes descriptive exam. Now, what are the details regarding it? We are going to see very soon that what is a pattern difference with respect to the phase 2 of both these examinations. But for now, you just need to know that it has descriptive component as a part of it. After that, if we talk about the eligibility criteria, the eligibility criteria includes the age limit of 21 to 30 years. And if we talk about general stream, then the education qualification that is required for the examination is minimum 60% in graduation for both this examination. Fine. After that, if you talk about the phase 1, as I told you that it is objective type paper, so over here you would be getting these different type of components which includes general awareness, English language, quants and reasoning. So you can see that if you're somebody who's preparing for RBI grade B, you automatically get enough coverage with respect to IRDA Assistant Manager phase 1 syllabus also, because syllabus is same and difficulty level I would say is almost somewhat similar. So there is no I would say reason why you should not prepare for this IRDA grade A examination if you have covered RBI grade B syllabus also. Fine. So because both the syllabus with respect to phase 1 is very much overlapping in nature. If we talk about phase 2, now the difference lies with respect to phase 2. First of all, we have the English paper. So English paper is common and the syllabus is same. You would be covering the reading comprehension, the presence writing and essay writing also. Fine, as a part of it, and yes, it is purely descriptive in both the examination. If you talk about these two components, which is ESI and the general finance and management. Now it as a part of I would say RBI grade B examination, you have economics and social issues, and over here you have general finance and management. But here also you have economic and social issues, but the keyword here is the important keyword is here is impacting insurance. Now how does it make a difference? We will see it very soon in our next slide. Fine, but for now just understand that here we have the differences with respect to both these components. ESI is a part of RBI grade B also, and ESI is a part of IRDA assistant manager also. But here ESI is in context to impact on the insurance. Fine. Now the next is general finance and management. Now management is something that is common in both the syllabus. You can see the management is common, and we will see the detailed syllabus also for both this examination very soon. But the thing is that the finance is a part of RBI grade B, but is not a component of IRDA assistant manager, because over here instead of general finance, what do we have? We have the syllabus of insurance, which is not there with RBI grade B. So even if you have to put some extra efforts, I would say insurance is something where you will have to put some kind of additional efforts. But rest of the syllabus, if you see phase 1 syllabus, it is very much similar, and phase 2 also English component is same, and some sort of ESI topics there would be few small common topics, but most of the syllabus is different. You will have to put some additional effort with respect to that too. We will talk about it later on. The last is the interview phase. If we talk about the interview, both the exam have this interview phase also. So the merit list will be prepared based on the marks that you would be getting in the interview as well as in the phase 2. Fine. So these are the different type of similarities that are there with respect to RBI grade B and IRDA assistant manager examination. Now, if you talk about the different set of differences, now the differences, first of all, the stream that is offered by RBI Grade B, so it offers general stream also, DEPR and DSIM streams also. I'm not entering the details because for that we have a separate dedicated video on our channel. If you want to understand the details regarding the streams, you can access that video. If we talk about IRDA Assistant Manager, then the streams over here are very much diverse with respect to actuarial, finance, law, IT, research, and general stream. Fine. Again, if you want to understand the details regarding the streams, please go to our YouTube channel and over there you will find the video with respect to it. Fine. Now, if you talk about the examination structure, so as I've already told you that the phase one is totally objective. There is no doubt regarding that. Phase one is totally objective, and there is the exam pattern is totally similar for both this examination. But if you talk about the phase 2, now here is a twist. If you talk about RBI Grade B phase 2, over here we have a mixture of objective type questions as well as the descriptive type questions. Whereas if you talk about IRDA Assistant Manager exam, over here we have purely descriptive paper. This is purely descriptive, so there are no objective type questions as far as the phase 2 of IRDA Assistant Manager is concerned. Fine. So that is, I would say, the main difference as far as the pattern of this both this examination is concerned, and I hope it is pretty much clear to you. Now, if you compare the syllabus, as I told you that the phase 1 syllabus is same. It is very much similar. If you talk about the phase 2 syllabus, I've told you English syllabus is same. But what about the economics and social issues? Now, I told you that if you talk about RBI Grade B, ESI syllabus, the ESI over here is general economics and general social issues. Fine. So you would be getting topics like the measurement of growth, where you would be studying about GDP and all, then the poverty, unemployment, then the economic history of India. You can say the economics is very much general in this examination. You will be getting public finance, Indian agriculture, Reserve Bank of India, all such sort of things. You can see social issues also. We have multiculturalism, demographic trends, then the urbanization, migration, gender issue, and social justice. So it is very much general in nature. But on the other hand, if you talk about IRDI ESI syllabus, so over here what you can see that this ESI is not general ESI. This ESI is very much connected to the ESI that is impacting the insurance sector. So you can see the components also. You can see the components of the syllabus. Over here we have economic growth. We have business cycle and insurance penetration. Then the impact of age structure on economy. Then application of utility theory to insurance premium. Then here also you can see the economic capital and risk-based capital requirements. Then the economic capital of risk transfer arrangements including reinsurance. So the topics that are there in the economics part as well as in the social issues part, they are very much connected to the insurance only. So here we can conclude that the syllabus is not same, the syllabus is different. Though the theme of the syllabus is same, it is related to economics and social issues, but very specifically the syllabus is different. You have to prepare it in a different manner with a different approach. So that you can say is the difference between the syllabus of ESI regarding RBI Grade B and IRDA Assistant Manager post. And I hope it is clear to you that you require some kind of special efforts with respect to this component. Fine. So that is the idea. Now let us move on to the management syllabus. If you see the management syllabus, let me tell you that if you have covered management syllabus of RBI Grade B, then automatically you will be covering the management syllabus of IRDI also. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस आई वुड से। और मैं इतना भी कह सकता हूं कि जो आरबीआई का सिलेबस है मैनेजमेंट का वो थोड़ा ज्यादा ब्रॉड है। यू हैव मोर number of topics in RBI syllabus as compared to IRDI. So if you have done RBI grade B syllabus, then automatically your management syllabus for IRDI will be covered. You won't have to put any kind of, I would say, additional efforts with respect to it. Fine. So the components, the keywords are, I would say, same, and though it includes some extra topics also, the RBI one, but yes, if you are done with that, you don't have to put a lot of effort with respect to IRDI. तो यहाँ आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत बच जाएगी। तो अगर आप RBI के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो मैनेजमेंट आपका IRDI के लिए ऑटोमेटिकली कवर हो जाएगा। Fine. Now let us talk about the third component, which is finance in RBI. Whereas if you talk about insurance in case of IRDAI. So here we have, I would say that you will have to put some additional efforts. Fine, because finance, general finance is not a part of IRDA exam, though it is a part of RBI Grade B manager post, sorry, RBI Grade B exam. But the thing is that if you talk about IRDA assistant manager, over here instead of finance, you have insurance. So you will have to study about history of Indian insurance. You will have to study about risk and uncertainty, different kind of components that are mentioned as a part of the syllabus. So if you try to summarize it, that where you have to focus upon as a part of this whole strategy. The first thing is that phase one. Let me open the white screen. So if you talk about the phase one is exactly similar. Phase one is exactly similar. You won't have to put a lot of additional efforts with respect to phase one. If you talk about phase two, what difference we have seen, that RBI is both objective as well as subjective. It includes a descriptive paper also, whereas IRDI is purely descriptive in nature. IRDI phase 2. Fine. If you talk about the extra efforts where you have to put some kind of additional energy, that will be in case of ESI component, because this ESI is very much directly linked to the insurance sector. So you need to prepare it in a well comprehensive manner. Apart from that, the insurance portion, ये दो एरियाज है जहां पे आपको काम करने की जरूरत है. मैनेजमेंट तो आपका ऑटोमेटिकली प्रिपेयर हो जाएगा. दीज आर द ओनली टू कंपोनेंट्स वेर यू हैव टू पुट योर फोकस अपॉन. फाइन दैट आई मीन ऑन as far as the priorities are concerned. So that's how you can prepare for the exam in the most efficient manner, because most of the syllabus is overlapping. IRDI also offers very good, I would say, handsome salary and other type of perks and allowances. So I would suggest you that if you're preparing for RBI grade B, you must not miss the opportunity that is provided by IRDI assistant manager post. Fine. So you must prepare for that too, and that is all about today's session. But before we end the session, let me also tell you that how EduTap can help you as a part of this overall preparation of IRDI assistant manager post. So what you have to do, you have to go to our website, you have to open our courses. So if I show you the courses regarding IRDI grade A, so you can see over here that you would be getting gold course as well as the silver course. So those of you, let us say you have already purchased any other course for the preparation of RBI grade B. So what you can do, you can skip gold course, because gold course includes the preparation for phase 1 as well as phase 2. So you are confident about phase 1, you know quants, reasoning, English and general awareness. So you can purchase the silver course. It will be including the different phase 2 topics, fine, which is the ESI impacting insurance, the management, as well as the third component, which is insurance and management. Fine. So this is how this course can help you. And this course includes what? It includes the concept classes, which are going to be the recorded classes. Then we will be conducting the live classes also. Fine. Live classes will be conducted once the notification is announced, so that you can revise things and you can interact in the most efficient manner. Apart from that, there will be chapter wise test also as a part of this course. You can see the solved PYQs, and as well as the weekly mentor talk is another facility that we will be providing you in case you have any other difficulty with respect to strategy or any confusion regarding the exam. You can talk to your mentor and you can get your confusion clarified. Fine. So that is the idea. If you talk about gold course, the same things are there in gold course also. The only difference is that the gold course includes phase 1 components also. Fine. It includes phase 1 components too, and that is all about our courses. And you can see that we will be providing you different summary sheets also, the concept notes also, which will of course help you in revision and better retention. Fine. And you can also purchase this course for different validities: 12 months, 18 months and 24 months. And in order to avail the discount that is running on our website for a limited period, the discount coupon is save 70. So if you apply this code over here, then you will be getting 70% discount on the MRP. Fine. So that is the idea, and I hope it is clear to you. So that is it from my side. And if you have any other query, any other doubt, if you want us to make video on any other topic, you can just drop a comment in the comment box. Fine. So that is it. So thank you so much and all the best.